Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCatus. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today according to SoSoValue. The first is, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission stated that memecoins do not qualify as securities, but there are still fraud risks associated with them. The SEC's Division of Corporation Finance pointed out that memecoins do not meet the definition of securities because they do not generate revenue or convey rights to future income, profits, or assets, and therefore are not subject to federal securities laws. Following Gary Gensler's departure, the SEC has taken a more favorable stance towards cryptocurrencies and has withdrawn cases against companies such as Coinbase and Gemini. Meanwhile, Congressman Sam Liccardo has introduced a bill prohibiting the president, members of Congress, and their families from issuing or sponsoring securities in cryptocurrencies.
Next.
The cryptocurrency exchange BitMEX is seeking buyers and has hired the independent investment bank Broadhaven Capital Partners to assist with the sale. Previously, BitMEX was fined $100 million by a federal judge for violating the Bank Secrecy Act, which requires companies to report suspicious financial activities to prevent money laundering. BitMEX admitted to violating this law in July 2024. Next news. Consensys and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission have agreed in principle to end the case against MetaMask. Consensys founder Joseph Lubin announced that the SEC will submit an agreement to close this case. Meanwhile, MetaMask has announced a new roadmap aimed at enhancing its services. The announcement was made at the MetaMask institutional booth during the Paris Blockchain Week 2022. The roadmap includes plans for improved security features, expanded institutional offerings, and enhanced user experience.
It was perfect. Perfect.
Next news. According to Arkham data, wallets identified as belonging to the Lazarus Group have transferred over $240 million worth of ETH via THORChain. Most of these funds have been converted into native BTC. Additionally, THORChain's lead developer, @Pluto9er, announced his resignation after 4 years in the role. THORChain core validator TCB revealed that most of the current activity on THORChain is linked to the largest financial theft in human history money laundering by North Korean hackers, which could escalate into a national security issue. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.